cases rising across the country. What do the symptoms look like? Is there a new variant we need to worry about? Is there a possibility of a fourth wave or a lockdown? All these questions answered in this video. I'm Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor. Let's get started. India recorded over 4,000 new COVID cases in the past 24 hours, and this number was crossed after nearly 3 months. The biggest contributor are metro cities like Mumbai, Chennai and Delhi. Let's begin with Mumbai, where cases have risen nearly 200% in nearly 2 weeks. City also recorded 700 new infections on Thursday alone, and 1 death also coming in after nearly 2 weeks. In response, the Uddhav Thackeray government held a meeting, and they are of the view that there will be further increase in daily infections as well as the number of symptomatic patients. For now, they've asked people to go back to wearing their masks more religiously, and there will be further restrictions. But why exactly are the cases rising? Well, experts say it is not a case of high testing, but there are multiple reasons. Starting with number one, vaccination coverage has slowed down and is poor in under 18 and booster dose segments. Number two, people have started to go back to offices, leading to greater mobility of the general population, direct communication, in-person meetings as well. And number three, doctors suggest the pandemic norms like wearing a mask, following social distancing, now that they've been put on voluntary mode, lesser people are actually following it. So what are the symptoms looking like? The symptoms at present include sore throat, a blocked nose, fever, body ache, just like viral fever. Symptoms do not include, importantly, breathlessness so far. Doctors say that while there is no need for panic, as symptomatic treatment at home and quarantine would help in recovery, symptoms, however, extreme if they become, should not be neglected, especially in the older and comorbid population. So is there a new variant we need to worry about? Not really. Last week, a total of 4 cases of Omicron BA4 and 3 cases of BA5 subvariants were detected in Maharashtra for the very first time, although all of them had only mild symptoms and were treated at home. Experts have warned that people should remain vigilant against the virus, however. But is there any sign of relief? The good part here is that the hospitalization and death levels remain to a minuscule proportion across all cities. However, the outbreak of cases in India's large urban centers need to be carefully tracked given the trend in the past 2 years of the pandemic in India and abroad. Cases first start rising in major urban centers before they spill over to smaller cities and rural centers. For now, mask on and life will go on. For more such updates, stay tuned to Moneycontrol.